Hello everybody. Most patients with migraine headaches have this one simple question. Why doctor this headache keeps coming again and again? Even though I am aware that taking too much painkillers may affect my kidneys, but when I get a headache, I am left with no other option other than taking a painkiller. Yes, I tell them Ayurveda has the perfect answer for you. First, I tell them correct your digestive system. A problem with the digestive system may be something like a chest burn, sore belchings, acidity, gastritis, stomach bloating, gas trouble, or constipation, or even piles. On hearing this, most people will get confused. What is this, doctor? I am asking about headache and you are talking about stomach. What is the relationship between these two? Yes, in fact, there is a very intricate relationship between these two factors. Let me give you an example first. Imagine a car engine. What happens when you start a car? The engine immediately starts getting heated up. Now what do we have to control the heat? We have a radiator and a coolant, which ensures that the engine does not get overheated. And because of an effective coolant and radiator, we are able to drive the car at one full extent, say 500 kilometers or even more. Suppose the radiator is not working or the coolant is drained off. What happens? You will not be able to run the car even for 50 kilometers. Even less than 50 kilometers, the car engine would get heated up and the car would simply stop. Now we have to simply wait till the engine cools down. This problem is even more common in older generation cars where there was no coolant. When we used to use only water, what happens? We cannot even climb uphill at one go. For example, if you are climbing from Coimbatore to Ooty, we cannot climb at one go in a car. We used to climb for some 20 or 30 kilometers, again stop the car and wait till the engine cools down. Again another 20 or 30 kilometers, again we have to wait for the engine to cool down. This is what used to happen. All this is because of an ineffective cooling mechanism. Because of that, too much of heat gets accumulated in the car engine. Even though the engine is a good engine, because of this ineffective cooling mechanisms, the car is getting heated up quite often. The same problem is happening in migraine also. The car engine is like our head. Due to various day-to-day activities and our brain functions, always heat tends to get built up in the head region. This radiator is like our digestion and metabolic system. The coolant is like the movement of vata in our body. So as long as the radiator and coolant is functioning properly, there is no problem with the heat. Like in our body, if there is a disturbance in the movement of vata, especially in the context of headache, the apana vata is very important here. It is one among the panchavadas. This apana vata can get easily disturbed due to a improper digestive system, and hence this apana vayu will not be able to move freely downwards. So automatically what happens? This apana vayu will not be able to clear away the excess heat that is normally being built up in the head region. Due to this defect, we tend to get headaches quite often. Due to simple reasons also, we tend to get very severe headache. For example, lift is not working, severe headache. Too much sunlight, severe headache. Children not doing homework, severe headache. Spouse is not listening to you, again severe headache. Washing machine not working, severe headache. Wi-Fi connection, internet connection is slow, again severe headache. Normally, what do we do when we get a headache? By nature itself, the person would want to take some amount of rest until the headache cools off. This is what normally happens. Sometimes we are overriding this natural system through some painkiller, which is even more dangerous. There is one more important factor which we need to consider here. Normally, if you are taking a painkiller tablet, what happens? Most painkiller tablets can cause gastritis. So here we are again disturbing the already dysfunctional digestive system. Let me share with you one recent incident. There was one very good friend of mine. He used to have very frequent headaches and very frequent acidity problem. What he used to do is, he used to have 2 strips of tablet always in his pocket. One strip of tablet for headache and another strip of tablet for acidity. Because he himself never knows when he will get this problem. Because it keeps coming quite frequently. So whenever he has a headache, he will take that tablet for headache. Whenever acidity, again one tablet for acidity. So what we told him is, okay, first we will give you treatment only for acidity. Take these medicines only for acidity. But actually he was more concerned about his headache only. No doctor, my acidity is little bit only. My main problem is headache only. But we told him, it's okay, don't worry. First take this medicine for 2 weeks and then we will see. Then he came back after 2 weeks. He was very happy. Then I asked him, how is your acidity? Then he said, yes doctor, my acidity is somewhat reduced, but my headache has been reduced to a great extent. This is the beauty of Ayurveda. Hence, a patient suffering from migraine should first correct his problems of his digestive system. The problems of digestive system, in some people, it may have some clear symptoms, like I said, gastritis, acidity, chest burn, heartburn, constipation, or even piles also. But in some people, it may be in a very mild manner. So it requires a close observation to really pick up that digestive abnormality. Again, correcting this digestive problem means it's not just taking antacid and suppressing it. You actually need to rectify the problem. Let me share with you some simple home remedies. For example, if you are having too much of acidity, chest burn, and so on, you could take fenugreek seeds powder, just 1 teaspoon of powder in the morning and 1 teaspoon of powder in the evening, empty stomach, just with water. You can just swallow it. In case you are having indigestion, gas, bloating, problems like that, means you can take, say, 1 glass of water boiled with a little bit of jeeraka, that is cumin seeds. Boil it and you can just drink that water morning and evening 2 times. In case you are having constipation, then you could take 1 teaspoon of Triphala Churana powder in the night before going to bed. Just 1 teaspoon of Triphala Churana powder with warm water. Taking these just for 1 or 2 days will not be useful. You need to take them at least for 2 weeks. Then you will be able to see some good results. In case you are having this migraine headaches for quite a long time, then these home remedies alone may not be sufficient. You may require some Ayurvedic medicines which can greatly help you. Kindly consult an Ayurvedic doctor, by which you will be able to get a sustained relief from migraine headaches. Thank you.